What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Today I have my beautiful, sweet Nikki here. She has a family reunion tonight and she loves when I do her makeup and get her ready and do her hair, so I thought that I would film it for you guys and kind of give you the tips and tricks that I gave her when I was teaching her how to do her own makeup. Would you say they were helpful?
I could do my whole face of makeup by myself, but
she still just likes when I do it every time she's over. If we have an event or anything, she always asks if I can do her hair and makeup. So that's what we're doing today. What look are you going for?
my usual.
So basically my usual. It's just like a natural glam, elevated glam look, but you still like look and feel like yourself.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna start with hair. She has wet hair, obviously. She rushed over this morning right out of the shower. To do that, I quickly want to thank Tangle Teezer for sponsoring today's video. As you guys know, the only hair brushes I use are Tangle Teezers. And to dry her hair, I'm going to be using their new Ultimate Vented hairbrush. Truly the best, I promise. Once you start using a Tangle Teezer, you will not be able to go back. I think you were actually the person who got me into Tangle Teezer.
Yeah, I've been using them for like years.
This is their new brush and it's made to help you get the sleekest, silkiest, soft blow dry ever. There's so many little aspects about this brush that are going to help you achieve the best blow dry. You can see the bristles go from really tiny to a little bit larger at the base, and that is going to help get the excess water out of your hair. And then there is a vented area in the middle of the hairbrush to really help your hair dry faster. This is not a detangling brush. You want to make sure you go in and, like I did, detangle your hair before you go in and use the vented hairbrush. It is perfect to use on fine to medium hair of all lengths, and to use it, you just want to make sure that you're not putting the blow dryer directly against the hair or the bristles. You want to hold it about an inch away. I have biker shorts on, by the way. So you want to start with damp hair. Nikki's hair has air dried, I want to say, to about 60%, and you don't want to rough dry your hair. You want to go in and kind of blow dry it with the brush the whole time. That's really going to minimize the frizz and give you the sleekest blowout. It's also a lot healthier for your hair because the heat isn't directly on your hair like other blow dry brushes. It's not making direct contact with the hair. Just start at the root, you hold it about an inch away and move down to the end of your hair.
Cool.
So I'm just going to do this around the rest of her head and I'll show you guys the finished product. Take a seat, my friend.
My good friend.
Some might say best friend.
Oh, whoa, look at my hair.
Nice and sleek and smooth. We're in a straight hair mood.
Yeah.
As of recently.
It's such a vibe, honestly.
Yeah, look how nice and smooth, and that took literally like 2 minutes to do. All right,
And I have crazy hair.
Especially her like little fuzzy parts. And it smoothed it right out. So I will leave the Ultimate Vented hairbrush link down below. Now let's get on to your makeup. We have to prep your skin.
Should I clip up my hair?
We can just like tuck it behind your nice ears. So for your skin, I'm going to basically be using all my favorite products on her. We're going to be starting with the Drunk Elephant C Firma Fresh Day Serum. This is the best vitamin C. Vitamin C is going to really help with...
It smells like a campfire.
I know, it does not smell good. Vitamin C really helps with scarring and making your skin tone even. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of this, which is the F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial Mask. I love it under makeup. It's supposed to be like a nighttime mask where you can rinse it off, but I put it under makeup and it just is perfect. It creates like the perfect hydrating primer. Nikki's a little bit drier, so I like making her skin very hydrated. And then we're gonna go in with some under eye cream. Also Drunk Elephant. I've been really on a Drunk Elephant kick.
Oh, my under eyes are really dry. So.
Because yeah, she has really extremely dry under eyes.
Like the Sahara Desert.
I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Vanish Stick. I've been absolutely loving this in the shade Linen. I just use the same colors that I use on myself on Nikki, and somehow it works. This is actually a little bit too light on me at the moment. Yeah, it looks like it actually would work.
But okay, I usually have a spray tan.
Yeah, usually she has a spray tan, and I don't know. I don't put that much on her. She likes it more sheer to medium coverage. So, you know, I kind of just like blend it in with her skin. I'm just going to put a little bit down her neck because it does seem like it's a little bit darker than her skin.
Yeah, but you always brighten it up.
Yeah. And you're wearing like a high neck thing, you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I love this foundation in the fall.
Okay, so I'm going to ask Tony some questions. Tony, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you about life right now?
I have to say I am a 20 on 10. I've never been so excited about life, ever. Mostly because we're leaving on a cruise. But in general about life, I'm very excited and happy with how life is going at the moment.
Well, that is great. We love a positive queen.
How excited are you about life right now?
I would say I'm pretty excited. Oh yeah, pimples. Just keep getting the same 2 pimples.
Yeah, and with her I find that a nice creamy concealer is better than like a super high coverage matte concealer, which I think someone might typically put on a breakout, because if you put a really matte concealer on a breakout, it kind of gets all dry and crusty and gross, you know?
Okay, Tony, next question.
Yeah.
What is your current favorite piece at CNC?
Oh, that's really hard. I think it has to be our new Luxe rings or our watches, but in stock, they're these solid gold, like regular 30mm hoop earrings. They're just comfortable to wear. They're very lightweight. They're obviously solid gold. I don't take them off. They really just are the superior earring at the moment. This is a little bit of a cream contour. Nikki has got her mom's cute little nose, and so she doesn't need much contouring.
Product feels so weird.
It's like a gel. Blends so nicely. I'm using the shade light medium. Light medium?
I think it's just medium.
Medium.
I actually just bought something at Sephora that I saw on TikTok.
Oh no, what?
It's this kit. They like put together like one of those kits.
Okay, yeah. The one I got scammed by when I was 12 with you.
Tony got one of those and it was like all the Sephora best-selling lipsticks and they were this big.
It was they've really improved
those sets.
Now I'm going to set her face with the Dior Powder No Powder Powder.
I've never used that. I'm excited.
I've used this on you.
No, the last time you used the Charlotte Tilbury.
Oh.
Which I love.
Is there bronzer here? I didn't bring one because I thought my Dior one was here.
Oh, it's downstairs.
I'll be back. You keep them occupied.
Okay, you could sit and chat with me. I don't know how Tony talks to the camera because I'm so awkward.
Why don't you tell them about what we ordered this morning?
This morning, Tony and I went on at 9 a.m. onto Revolve and we ordered Remy X Revolve. And we got matching outfits in our sizes to show you guys the fits.
Yeah, I'm so excited for that.
So we got a leather blazer, a leather like little corset top, and a blazer dress. What is your favorite time of the day?
Bedtime. I really look forward to bedtime all day. I just want to crawl into bed and go to sleep and close my eyes.
Your new bed is quite luxurious.
Oh, yeah. My new bed is the comfiest thing I've ever experienced in my life. It is the comfiest, biggest thing, and I just love getting into bed and reading and cuddling with Leo. I used to hate going to bed because my anxiety was always the worst when I was falling asleep, but oh, I just love it now. I'm just going in with the same bronzer that I put on her face, which is the Anastasia Bronzer.
You've been really into that one.
Honestly, I'm just using what I have, and I finished my Hoola bronzer, and I'm trying to go through the rest of my bronzer. And you have, would you say you have hooded eyes?
I do have hooded eyes. I have like a double eyelid.
So we're gonna give Nikki a little bit of a siren eye. You know, what's popping on TikTok. I'm gonna go in with the Viseart palette. This is her absolute favorite palette.
It really is.
And I'm going in with this little shimmery, shiny thing.
Oh, what is that?
Just on my finger.
I love this palette and they don't sell it anymore.
They don't? Oh.
No.
It's truly so pretty, and I'm just putting this shimmer kind of like, she's the smallest eyelid I've ever seen in my life, so I'm kind of just like putting it all over. I'm not gonna do her eyebrows because you can't even see them.
Don't be a bully.
But that's what you always say. Okay, I could do your
No,
eyebrows.
no. I'm gonna, honestly, something really crazy happens
But
to
can
me.
I try?
No,
Please?
no,
I just want to.
no.
I just want to see.
No.
No, it's gonna look good. Trust me.
Tony, that's the color dark brown.
Let me just try. Fine.
No! Because, nah!
We're gonna go in with the Dior, my favorite waterproof eyeliner in brown. When I'm doing eyeliner on her, because it's not so easy, and if you're not good at doing eyeliner on yourself, I find it easier if you pick it up on like a little brush.
What brush is that?
This is a Laura Lee brush.
We love her.
So I'm just going to kind of smudge it in her lash line, the outer half. Open, please. Yep, that's beautiful. And then I'm going to pick up some more. And I like putting the wing on kind of when her eyes open. This color just looks so nice with her beautiful blue eyes. And then once the line is kind of there for you, you can go in with the pencil and darken it up. But the good thing about using a pencil like this is that it doesn't have to be perfect. Do I ever put it on the inner corner for you or no?
You've never done that. I'm a little scared.
I won't do it, don't worry.
A little bit of a tight squeeze. Okay, Tony, what's your favorite movie?
Do you know the answer to this?
I know your favorite TV show. The Big Bang Theory.
That is my favorite. I don't really have a favorite movie. Like, I don't have a movie that's like Ethan loves No Country for Old Men.
That's his favorite movie?
Yeah. I like Pretty Woman.
Do you like Pretty Woman? You like Grease?
Oh, rest in peace.
Tony doesn't like musicals. I love musicals.
The only one I like is Grease.
It's really a clash for us because...
Yeah, what's the one thing we fight about the most? When I leave coffee cups in your car.
No, it's when you leave garbage in my car. In our last video, I said my pet peeve about you is when you leave garbage in places.
I don't leave garbage in places. I'm not walking around polluting the earth. Let's not be spreading lies.
If you were stuck on an island, you could pick one food to eat forever without getting tired. What would you eat?
My favorite food in the world is cheese.
True.
But I don't think I could sustain off of like a block of cheddar. So I think I would have to go with like lasagna or pasta. A classic pasta like Rayo's tomato sauce with a lot of Parmesan.
Truffle oil.
Truffle oil. That is what I could truly live on for the rest of my eternity. What's yours? Sushi?
Sushi has to be my favorite food of all time, but if I had to survive on food, I don't think I could survive on raw fish for the rest of my life.
And rice.
I think that's something that I would thoroughly enjoy for the rest of my life would have to be chicken fingers and french fries.
Ooh. Oh, maybe I should think of having a vegetable.
Oh yeah, maybe chicken fingers and french fries with like celery and blue cheese.
Ooh. You're making me hungry. Are you like crying? What's going on?
No. Wait for the mascara to dry.
I'm going in with my favorite blush from MAC, Blush Please.
What about lipstick or lip gloss?
Lip gloss.
So lip gloss or lip liner?
1,000,000%. Oh, lip gloss or lip liner? Lip liner.
Is that Pillow Talk 2 or 1?
2.
It's a little dark for me, but
But that's the
make
look
it
we're
work.
going for.
What's the vibe here with the lip color?
It's like nice and pink. You like pink.
Mm-hmm.
Look at your giant lips. I got this new lip gloss balm. It's the Clarins Embellisseur Lèvres. Natural Lip Perfector. That's the translation.
I just want you to know that I was in the office last week and Tony came in and said, I got an amazing lip gloss and you're going to be jealous.
And were you?
Yeah, I was jealous.
I went to go get a lip tint, but turns out they're sold out everywhere.
Which one?
Any lip tint.
Oh, did you see the new House Beauty?
Is that Lady Gaga's? No.
Apparently her new lipstick is like insane. You want to get like the Fenty lip tint?
Fenty, Clarins, Dior.
But it's so bright red.
I don't know. I felt like maybe that's the vibe.
But it's not giving me that gloss.
She's so demanding.
Is this the Sephora brand?
Yeah.
These are so good.
These are the best. Let me take a peek from this angle. Oh, wow. We need some more bronzer. The shirt is throwing me off.
Well, I
You
just kind
should
of...
have come in your... Can I drape something over you? Wow, so much better.
Angel. Beautiful.
Because you're wearing black tonight, right?
Mm-hmm.
That really transformed the whole look.
What's a must-have item everyone needs to have?
For makeup?
One makeup and one clothes.
Clothes, definitely a good blazer. I love a blazer and really just makes you look so effortlessly cool. Makeup, I think a good lip liner. Wait, put your look back on.
Sorry.
They're not getting the finished product.
Well, then my hair disappears. Did you notice that in Purple Hearts, her hair was always tucked into her shirt?
Yeah, it was really annoying. How do you feel? Do you like the finished look? Take a peek. Oh, wow. It looks so nice.
It does. It looks beautiful.
I think the eyeshadow was really the star of the show. Oh, do you like your lip color?
I like my lip color. I like my hair. I like my glam.
So this just goes to show that my makeup look can really work on anyone.
What is like your number one tip for doing your makeup?
Just like don't care too much about it. I think you don't have to have perfect eyeliner, perfect anything. And sometimes I feel like the harder you try, the worse it looks. Like just slap it on your face and
call it a day.
Call it a day.
I never feel like I could do my makeup as good as Tony does it for me, and I think I'm insecure about putting bronzer on my face.
Why?
Because I always feel like I can't blend it so good, and it's like dark on me.
But even with bronzer, you just have to slap it on there. All right, so that is Nikki's transformation. Hair, look how nice and smooth and silky it is. We will leave everything I use on Nikki linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye.